To convert film or slides to digital, you will use the Wolverine Film to Digital F2D Titan. Start by connecting the F2D Titan to the computer's USB port, if not already connected, and click the power button on the F2D Titan. Then select your film type using the left and right arrows to navigate, and press the OK Enter button to confirm your selection. Next, grab a film adapter and/or a place insert if using. See the Memory Studio binder for a guide to help choose your film type, adapter, and insert. To view and convert a slide positive, use the slide adapter 1 by inserting it into the viewer, moving right to left. Now you'll feed your slides one by one, shiny side up, moving right to left. Your images will appear on the screen. Use the second and third slides to push the preceding ones until the image aligns on the viewer before converting. When you're satisfied with the position of your image, you can convert it by pressing the Convert Mode button. Press OK, Enter, and select Save. You'll do this for each image. When you're finished converting your images, remove the adapter by pulling it out to the right. You can see the number of images saved to the viewer in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Click Convert Mode, then toggle using the arrows to the home screen. From the home screen, toggle using the arrows to the playback screen and click OK, Enter. The F2D Titan will display your saved images as a slideshow. To pause the slideshow, press OK, Enter. To export your saved images to the computer, use the arrow keys to toggle to the USB upload screen and press OK, Enter to select. Open the Finder on your computer and select the F2D Titan. You now have access to your saved images. This is what a folder containing your digitized slides saved as JPEG files will look like. To upload your photos to a flash drive, insert your flash drive into the computer's USB port. Next, drag your image files from the F2D Titan to the USB drive to upload. A dialog box will appear giving an upload status. Once you're finished, you can eject your flash drive. To eject your flash drive, click on the USB drive and then select Eject. Other options for saving your photos include uploading them to a cloud-based storage platform or burning them to a blank DVD. Once you're finished exporting your photos, you are all done.